In this video, I'm going to show you how to download voice clip on WhatsApp. So in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is basically head over to that voice message that we want to download. Say this one, for example. Now I'm just going to go ahead and long press this one just like so. And then you should be able to see this option right here, the three dots. Go ahead and click that one. Tap the share button, and then what you are going to do is basically look for the app list here, and you should be able to see here files. So there is an option for you to download it here in the file. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that one, and then I'm going to choose my drive here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. Now you should be able to see your file right here. What you are going to do is just basically head over back, click my drive here, and then click this one, and then there is an option to download it here. So just go ahead and click that one, and then if we are going to go back here, you can see that now it's green, meaning if we are going to click this, we should be able to open it as like a regular MP3 music. So you should be able to listen it here from your phone, and that is how we are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.